15's Matt McCutcheon joins me with a look at one of them.
Yeah, it was quite a display for the morning commute, and while it is over now, organizers hope that their message goes home with local lawmakers.
The topic of health care reform is heating up across the country. Today, President Obama made a sales pitch to veterans in Phoenix.
One thing that reform won't change is veterans' health care. No one is going to take away your benefits. That is the plain and simple truth.
White House officials say they're ready to compromise. They're now willing to consider health care co-ops or exchanges run by nonprofit groups or even states. But some Hoosiers aren't necessarily sold on the whole idea. Nearly 200 people gathered at the former Kay's merchandise store off Coliseum as part of the Hands Off My Healthcare movement. It's part of a statewide bus tour sponsored by Americans for Prosperity.
It takes a lot to unnerve the American people, but when it comes to their private lives and their health, that's pushing way too far.
Tell them, keep your hands off my health care. We want more options. We don't want our options restricted by more government control.
Now, some 24 people showed up today to protest the group's message, saying that 50 million uninsured Americans is unacceptable. Now, we've been asking for your thoughts about this on our Wayne TV Facebook page. Ashley says, quote, "I think we should just focus on getting President Obama away from the idea of government-run anything." While Natalie says, "I think it's a good idea. I have a pre-existing medical condition and no one will cover me if I lose my insurance." And Rick says, "Who cares what they call it as long as everybody can afford it and qualify for it?" Now, despite all the opinions out there, only time will tell what ultimately happens.
I cannot remember the last time one issue has evoked this much emotion in people.
And so heated, absolutely.
Thank you, Matt.